Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to link Wise account to Cash app. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Cash app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be sent to the home page. Here, tap on your profile icon at top right corner of your screen and a menu will appear. Inside this menu, select the Linked Banks feature and all of your linked accounts will be displayed if you have any. Now, just tap on the Link Bank button and then a list of available banks will appear on your screen. Here, tap on the search bar at the top and search for Wise. In the search results, you will see the wise.com website. Simply tap on it and you will be redirected to the Wise login page. Here, enter the required login details and tap on the Sign In button to connect your account successfully. So that's basically how you can link Wise account to Cash app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.